Hello beautiful people. Today we are unboxing the Google Pixelbook Go. 8GB RAM, 128GB SSD, M3 chip, just black. Just came in from Amazon today. Here's my extraordinarily overzealous knife that we're going to be using. So I'm just going to make a little sit in here. I don't want to cut the laptop in half with this thing. Okay, here's how Amazon does it. Little pointless packing tape. Pointless packing stuff. Okay. Box in a box. We got a box in a box. Yes, we do. This one we be a little more careful. Go here. Go here. Okay. Oh, they shipped from Google to Amazon. That's how they did that. Google shipped it to Amazon. Amazon shipped it to me. I had a little credit card. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. So it comes nice and packed, beautifully. Recycle all this like a good human. Please recycle. 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 Okay. Google Pixelbook Go. It's a Chromebook. Very small and lightweight. I've actually had the ability to play around with these pretty extensively. I'm a fan. It's nice, beautiful touchscreen. This is my fiance's laptop. She's gonna enjoy this. She's actually tried it already and really, really likes it. She's gonna be doing her teaching on it. Okay. This might be a little too thick. There we go. Plastic is off. Okay. I'm gonna take off the lid of the box here. Okay. Alright, so it comes nice and packaged with what we got here. This is a manual, I believe. Yes. Open it up, turn it on, follow the instructions. Oh, some beautiful stickers going on my guitar case. Okay. Yes, so that's fine and dandy. Okay, great. So, what else we got? Charger cable and charger. Beautifully wrapped. We're going to light this thing up right now so it has good battery. This thing actually, it has 12 hours of battery life, so it is good thing for on-the-go people. Alright, so now the fun part. The laptop. Nothing else in the box. Okay, nice and sealed. Beautiful seal. The seal has been broken. A nice G up there. This is the just black version. Nice and simple. We're going to open it up. Oh, it comes with a nice little insert to keep it going. So I just pressed this. I didn't press the power button. I just pressed this and it turned on. So it might have been turned on already. We'll see. Welcome. So obviously we can use the touchpad and we can also use the touch screen. Let's go. I'm going to blur this out, but connect to your Wi-Fi. Oh, what's my password? Okay, pause. All right, terms of service. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm reading all this. I read all of that very fast. Optional, help make Chrome OS better by automatically sending diagnostic and usage data. How about we don't do that? Sorry, Google, if you're watching. You can pay me to do it if you want. Checking for updates. We're on the beautiful Wi-Fi. Okay. It's updating. Cool. So it has two charging ports. While it's updating, I'll show you. So you can plug it in right here on the left side next to the headphone jack. Nice little light comes on. You can also plug it in on the right side. Gives you nice... They're also a light. Gives you a nice ability to kind of take it wherever you want. It's meant to be like a mobile thing. It's really like lightweight, Really lightweight. I'll get you the exact pound. I'll put the exact pound in the text here. It's very fast. Fast, friendly. The touchscreen is super responsive. One of the most responsive touchscreens that I've ever seen and used. I mean, it is awesome. We're gonna do some stuff here to kind of demonstrate that. But okay, downloading the update. Can't do anything, so I'll just kind of show you. This is the bottom. That's my sweaty hand making the condensation. This has a little different material here that allows it to not slip. So if it was on an incline or a decline, it wouldn't slip, it wouldn't fall down. It's very nice. It opens up this far. This is as far as it opens with meeting resistance. And then you can obviously close it. So it stops right there. So if this is, yeah, you can't really tell it. It's not really a tablet. But if you have big hands like I do, you can type like this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Pretty neat. Chrome updates automatically, so you always have the freshest version, like fresh, like tomatoes. When this download completes, Chrome will restart, and you'll be on your way. Finalizing. Okay, so actually the bar was about 80% there, and then it stopped. And then it said, you're installing a critical update. Please do not touch the touchpad. Okay, I will not touch the touchpad. So yeah, it's kind of geeking out. It's not right. Like I'm kind of annoyed that the progress bar didn't go all the way, but that's just a little thing. So this thing costs $650. And there are upgrades available, obviously, but we got the base model. Didn't need much more. So it's $650. We also got the Asurion insurance plan through Amazon. Okay, welcome. We're gonna go, let's go. We're already connected to Wi-Fi. Sign in. I will put in my email. You know what, actually, I'm gonna have my fiance put her email in. I had my fiance put in for her information so she could sign in because it's her laptop. So there was a little button down here next to shutdown that says browse as guest. So you can actually browse a guest. Or you can sign into your Gmail account. And it's literally just put in your email, then you put in your Gmail password, and it personalizes the experience for you. So let's see what it goes and loads up. I think what's going to happen is she'll already be logged into her Gmail. Let's see. Chrome Sync. Okay, personalized Google services. So Chrome Sync, your bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings will be synced to your Google account so you can use them on all your devices. And personalized Google services. Google may use your browsing history to personalize search, ads, and other Google services. You can change this anytime at myaccount.google.com/activitycontrols/search. Okay, accept and continue. We're going to use the touchpad because it's more fun. Google Play apps and services, terms and conditions. Agree. Okay. Back up to Google Drive, easily restore your data. Cool. Use location, allow apps and services with location permission to use your device's location. Google may collect location periodically to improve location-based services. Okay, review Google Play options following setup. Sure, why not? We'll do that. Accept. Okay. Meet your Google Assistant. I'm going to blur out my fiance's email, but that's pretty interesting. We'll turn it on for now. Google Partners work with your assistant to help you. Google Partners are businesses that have a commercial relationship with Google. The Google Assistant can work with Google Partners to help you get things done, whether it's buying movie tickets or getting your sync repaired. Google sends services you talk to a unique code. Okay, whatever. To save battery, OK Google is on only when your device is connected to a power source. To make changes, go to Settings. I agree. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. I'm going to have my fiance set that up again because it's my voice right now, not hers. I hope I can do that. Okay, related info. Let your assistant proactively show info related to what's on your screen. Get emails with the latest tips. Sure. Connect your phone. That's her phone already there because her two-step verification's on. It already sent her a two-step verification when she signed in. All set. Get Google Chromebook tips, offers and updates. Share feedback. Unsubscribe anytime. Does it cost money? I don't know. Whatever. Get started. Okay. Cool. So it comes installed with Google Chrome, Google Play, Explore, and Settings. What is Explore? I don't know. Welcome to your Chromebook. So the Explorer looks like it shows you how to do everything, how to manage your files. So Explorer basically teaches you how to do everything. Yeah. Awesome. So when you do jump into the Chromebook for the first time, you can learn everything through Explorer. It kind of teaches you. You can go at your own pace. I'm sure there's also videos out there that teach you how to do it. This is not one of those videos. This is a unboxing and showing you how it works video. So let's see. So her tabs are already saved. That's cool. She's already logged in. Let's go to gmail.com. Let's see if she's already signed in. Of course, I'm going to blur it out if we do. So I go to gmail.com. Yes, she's signed in. Okay, we're good. Awesome. Let's see if she signed in on Facebook. Automatically, out the box. She signed up. Nope, she's not. So out the box, you're signed into Google. Out the box, you're signed into Gmail. Let's go to Drive. Drive.google. Yes. This touchscreen is great. She's already signed into Drive. That is awesome. I would assume she's on Maps too. Basically every Google service you're already in is going to be signed in if you sign in at the beginning. Yeah, I mean, everything's here. Her home is programmed. Of course, I'm going to blur all that out. Maybe not even show that. We'll see. Okay, so that's the Google Chromebook. A Chromebook is an excellent tool for any artist, as you can draw on the screen with a stylus. We don't have a stylus with us, but you can get one. This feature makes it easier than ever to create digital artwork. So these have come leaps and bounds in regular years. They can even access the Adobe apps on Chrome OS now. Wow. Interesting. Photoshop for Chromebook. Very cool. Web versions. So yeah, you can use the web version of Adobe. As an artist, you're able to use the web versions of this stuff. Maybe I'll make a video on that in the future. So what you have to do is sign into Adobe, basically. Let's see how this works. Okay, so I just signed in to Adobe Online with my account. Connect my Google account on this Adobe ID. Sure, connect my accounts. Verification, okay. So we're gonna go to Gmail. We're gonna go here and go to mine. Adobe 522071. Accounts connected. Awesome. So look at this. Totally using Chrome OS to go into Lightroom. Upload photos to start. Uh-oh. Let's see. Do we have a camera? Yeah, let's go to camera. Say hello, we're taking a picture. Boom. Awesome. So we took a picture. Let's go back. Let's upload. Select them from my device. Images. Yep, there's the image we just took. Open, upload, continue. It's uploading. My internet is slow right now, but it happens. Okay, so we're in Lightroom. We have a photo we just took. Still rendering file image. That one. That is the date. And that is the correct date at that. Google already knows the date without me setting it. I'm going to plug in this charger here. Okay, the charger's plugged in. Image editing tools. So already we have the ability, do we? So here's the color. We can change that. Oh yeah, we can do it. Everything is editable. It's just like Lightroom, but it's on the Chrome OS. Just built in. All you have to do is sign in with your Adobe account, assuming it's the Gmail account. Mine is. And you're good. You can do everything Lightroom can do, I believe. Yeah, look at that. Neat. Lightroom's awesome. Very responsive. Okay, Google. That was insanely fast. And it's just typing everything I say.
I'll try.
I'll try. Okay, let's try this. Okay, Google. Google search how many people are on the planet currently.
Here is some information for how many people are currently using Google. According to Review
No,
42,
that's not
considering
right.
that
It's
there are
reading the
almost
top.
4.
Stop. It's reading the top one, but that's all right. Hey, Google. What is the population of Earth? Question mark.
In 2018, its population was 7,594,270,356.
Hey, Google. What is your astrological sign?
I'm more into astronomy. I'm a big fan of Polaris, the North Star. I try to guide the way, too.
Very fun. You can have a lot of fun with Google here, man. It's really fun. Hey, Google. Set an alarm for 5:30 a.m.
Sorry, I can't change alarms yet.
Okay, I'm assuming that's going to come with an update. Hey, Google. Set a timer for 20 seconds.
Alright, 20 seconds. And that's starting now.
Okay, no countdown, but let's see what happens. Very cool. Very, very cool, nifty. You can make this happen. Make stuff happen, man. Let's see what happens when this timer goes off. Hopefully something cool. So it's getting a little hot right now. Oh, there's the timer. Time's up. Hey, do I have to say anything? Okay. Hey, Google, stop the timer. That was it. Awesome. Okay. Hey, Google, open Gmail. Look at that. It did it. Hey, Google, open Facebook. Hey, Google, open coinmarketcap.com. I love this thing, man. It's great. So whenever you're charged, you can do a, hey, Google, what's the weather like today?
Here's a matching video.
What? What's the weather? That's not right. Hey, Google, what is the temperature outside? Question mark.
The temperature in Brooklyn right now is 36 degrees.
All right,
Due
awesome.
to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 28.
That's very informative. Thank you. Hey, Google, when is the next time it is supposed to rain in my location? Question mark.
Although there's no chance of rain in New York City, New York today, there's a moderate chance of rain on Tuesday starting at about 9 p.m. and continuing through the night.
Awesome. Guys, that's all I have today for the Google Chromebook. It is a really nifty tool. There are so many things I could make a video about on this. I would love to make an Adobe series about that. Maybe I'll do that. But for the time being, this is your first look at the Google Chromebook from Amazon we got today. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. Hit that notification bell. Give it a like, a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give me a comment down below on your thoughts of the Chromebook. If you had any issues with it, or if you know any better laptops you like. I think this thing's awesome. That's it till next time, guys. Appreciate you watching.